Hello, this is part 2 of applying the Pythagorean theorem with Mr. Hawkins. So we're going to look at some problems here, and your assignment will be to go over the rest of the problems on this sheet. So answer the following questions and round to the nearest tenth when necessary. Let's look at this number 3 together. Melissa wants to put a ribbon border around the sign in her classroom, shaped like a right triangle. If the ribbon costs 82 cents per foot, how much will it cost her to buy a ribbon for her sign? So it looks like she wants to do the border of the triangle because it says a ribbon border. So the first thing you need to realize is since we're doing the border or the perimeter of the triangle, we need to find this third side to figure out how many feet it is. So as always, we're going to use our formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Oh, not at sign. There we go. And let's identify what we have here. So we have the right angle here, which means diagonal across it. It's going to be our C side. That's going to be our hypotenuse. So this is side C, and then um, not obviously, but that means we have sides A and B for the remaining sides because they're the adjacent sides. They're going to be the short sides of our triangle. So we're going to plug it in to our formula. Now that we know what sides are A, B, and C, we're going to say, okay, that means we have 6 squared plus 8 squared equals C squared. 6 times 6 is 36. 8 times 8 is 64. So that's what we're going to have next. So I'm just going to move it over here. So we have 36 plus 64 equals C squared. 36 and 64 is 100. That equals C squared. And that means down here, we're going to have 10 equaling C because we take the square root of C and we get 10. Now, keep in mind, it is not division when we take the square root. It is a different process because this means that C times C equals 100. And the only number that fits that is 10 times 10. So we're going to replace C over here with 10. But that's not what our question's asking. That will just help us figure out the problem. Our question is asking, if the ribbon costs 82 cents per square foot, how much will it cost for her sign? So then, let's add up all of the border. So 6 plus 8 plus 10. 18 and 6 is 24. So that means I have 24 feet in total all around. And then multiply that times what we're looking for. So 0.82. If you put this in a calculator and you multiply it together, this will give us our answer for the result. So it will be, let me put it in my calculator really quick. 82 times 24, 19.68. So it's going to cost her 19.68. And that will be the answer to this problem. Thank you for joining me for this math video. Go ahead and try the rest of the problems in this Blackboard homework assignment.